My wife hates you. My children like you. My therapist loves you. My wallet is empty. Calls are ready. Let be tomorrow a good day. Thanks for all you do. You're responsible for my wins. My losses are mine only. Cheers. Thanks, Yurka. I appreciate it, man. Fucking Kendra. Evan the non-Dan supremacist. I pay you good money to belittle and degrade me. I know. I mean, tell that to GME 741. I was just stating the truth there. I wasn't degrading him more than he'd already degraded himself. Kirk, the abusive financial advisor. Well, I've found that the nice way of saying things doesn't always get the point across. I tried that in the early days, and people were like, yeah, I've been here for 3 months. I still don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Ding ding, the day is done. We did an up, and then a down, and then some more down, and then back up again. So yeah, that was fun. Not a lot of gamma exposure generated today, if any at all. I think actually a little bit shaved off. So the market maker did it. They sat on their $250 million in asymmetric risk just long enough to shave off 1% of it. So congratulations, Wolverine or Citadel. You're the best. Tomorrow represents the most liquid period for them to cover during the required covering time. So hopefully we see a nice run. I'm bullish on it. I think it looks good. Call buying today, very decent. Negative net delta into close. Pretty stagnant. A little bit of call buying towards the end of the day. They did end up squeezing some of those weeklies out. Unfortunately, hopefully those people reposition or YOLO back in tomorrow. And don't miss out on the run because of a $4 price drop. But they very well might, or $3.50 price drop. But everything looks good. Lots of long institutional interest today. Big piles of in the money calls exercised over on the Philadelphia exchange. Bot calls leading the pack today, 145,000 in net delta. And negative net delta for the day, only down 51,000. So everything looks primed to go. We're still trading, in this 135 to 140 range. I don't know if I expect gamma neutral to move up very much tomorrow, because we kind of stayed in the same price range that we were in yesterday. So it doesn't really encourage buying, at the 180 and 200 mark and beyond, because we're still very low. Anything else? I would take a look at the chart for today. I'll delete this ridiculous shit that I drew on there earlier. And it looks like we're still consolidating in an uptrend. We have a higher low. This is a ascending triangle into resistance. So hopefully we bounce here overnight, continue up tomorrow, and break out. It looks bullish. We're still staying in. Not only are we staying in the high trend, above the midpoint of this longer trend here from November, but we're actually staying in even in the higher range of that mid trend, right? So this continues to remain bullish. Pressure is to the upside, so a breakout is likely. From the technical side, this still looks great. The decreasing volume is expected during periods of consolidation. Yep. That's about it for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you probably bright and early tomorrow. Thanks. Have a good night, guys.